So let's unzip this carrying case right here, and voila, there they are. Ooh, very lightweight if I do say so. Hey Warenotice, Shane here, coming at you with another awesome technology video, and today folks, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, the Sony WH-1000XM4 wireless Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones. So without further ado, let's get to getting these guys out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this headphones box. As you can see on the front, it says Sony, and then the name of these headphones right here. Real quick, I will say that's kind of a stupid name. It looks like a serial number or something. Sony, you probably should have thought of a better name for these headphones. Over here on the back, we got more information about these headphones as well. So for example, right here, it's got a maximum of 30 hours of music playback time with the noise canceling on, or 38 hours with that noise canceling off. That's a lot of battery life. That's definitely a good thing. And here's some more pictures of the headphones. And yeah, anyway, let's just open these guys up. So here we go. We can just rip this shrink wrap right off of the box, and boop, 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 and voila, here that is. We can throw that to the side, and now we can just shimmy, 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 and boom, that was easy. So it says we should download the app and power on our headphones and connect via the app to set them up. So we can just grab them right here. So let's unzip this carrying case right here, and voila, there they are. Ooh, very lightweight if I do say so. And yeah, we got some Sony logos. We can put this to the side real quick. And then it looks like also right here, we've got a little plug right there. We've got a little audio jack right here if you want to use these in a wired way. I, of course, prefer wirelessly. And then right here, we've got a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging these bad boys up. And yeah, anyway, let me get them connected to my iPhone and start using them. And folks, anyway, now fast forward, I've got these Sony WH-1000XM4s. Man, that is still a long, hard to remember name. All nice and set up and connected to my iPhone. Yes, I've been listening to audio, music on these guys, and I mean, they're a decent pair of headphones. They get the job done. Audio quality, it sounds good. Sounds fine, just what you'd expect. Nothing really to write home about, nothing extremely exceptional, at least in my opinion. Also, noise canceling, which is what these headphones are known for. Again, I mean, it gets the job done. One thing that was really annoying though when I first started using these headphones, when I had the noise canceling on, and especially when I wasn't listening to any audio on these headphones, they really created like an intense pressure feeling in my ears, sort of like when you're lifting off or descending in an airplane, and that was definitely really annoying. Right now I have the noise cancellation on and I'm speaking to you guys, and I don't feel that right now, but yeah, that was just something to note when I started with these headphones. And basically, if I play some music on these right here with noise cancellation on, it's definitely harder to hear myself talking, but I mean, I could still hear myself talking. So anyway, guys, moving on, we can talk a little bit more about controlling the XM4s. So they do have an iPhone app right here, which is definitely pretty awesome. In the app, you can control the amount of noise cancellation you have on and the amount of ambient sound you let in. Right there, you can also control the equalizer too. So for example, you can go into a bass boost mode, which I think is pretty nice right there as well. And in the app, you can also turn on the feature that allows you to connect two devices at the same time to these headphones. Anyway, outside of the app as well, you've got some touch controls on the right ear cup of the headphones. So for example, if you want to pause your music, I'm now playing music, you can double tap and that'll pause it. And if you double tap again, that's gonna play it again. So I can go ahead, and also you can turn up and down the volume with touch controls. So you can swipe up like that, and now you're turning up the volume, and you could swipe down like that, and then you're turning down the volume. Other touch controls you can do on the touchpad right here include skipping to the next track by swiping forward just like that, or skipping to the previous track by swiping backward just like that. Or also you can hold down on the touchpad to activate your personal assistant, such as Siri, who's now listening to me right there. Yeah, I definitely think those touch controls right there are pretty convenient. I do always love when headphones have touch controls like that. Now we've pretty much covered the Sony WH-1000XM4s. Definitely let me know what you guys think of these Sony XM4s down in the comments. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Sony XM4s. Bye.